Okay, what's up traders? Dr. Zagin here, where every setup is backed by data, not by drama. So basically, let's jump straight into the charts. Okay, wait a second. Let's put our background music. There you go. So let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Bigger picture, first of all, always zoom out to check the whole market structure. So as you can see, this is building a new higher low, and we're gonna expect for a higher high. Then market structure is key, guys. So from what I can see, this is the potential resistance. I'll use this as support. Touch, so that will then another touch, so that means this is a valid support, since during based on the previous price history, there are reaction on this week and this week. So let's look at MACD. It's in the bullish territory, so I would say, oh wait, we're on invert scale, my bad. When was this? October 10, last 2 weeks ago at least. So if we see a bounce, that means Bitcoin will go up. Okay, so we're building up our bias first. Let's try to chart USDT dominance. Okay, let's redo the chart. First of all, why do we chart USDT dominance? It is because whenever USDT dominance go up, Bitcoin and altcoins go down, while on the other side, if it goes down, Bitcoin goes up. Let's try to check BTC to prove my point. See, it goes down but Bitcoin goes up. It goes down and USDT goes up, so vice versa. That's why we chart USDT dominance to know our bias. So based on the price, this is where there is common reaction here, and here. So I will consider this as my key level support, while this one is my key level resistance. So based on the structure, let me check. No, that's not valid. So okay, let's go down to 4 hours time frame. Okay, I wanna find some support. Let's see if this, actually this is similar to Bitcoin, guys. Okay, look at Bitcoin. You see, You see? Okay, so we are seeing a breakdown at the moment if we consider this as valid, but I don't find this quality trend line. So what will we do is, let's use our horizontal instead. Let's try a fib. Okay, this is suspected here. At the moment, I wanna wait. There's no clear market structure for me. There's no clear potential entry, but my bias is pretty bullish on Bitcoin at the moment. So if this is valid, if this is a valid breakout, let's invert it to avoid confusion. I mean breakdown. More likely Bitcoin will go up. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin right now. So our bias will be long, bullish. So my chart for Bitcoin is on logarithmic. Okay, let's just redo this. Then I'll put log so that I don't get confused. Why is the chart messy if I turn it to regular? This is our strong long-term support. So this is a valid support. This. There you go. Okay. Next is this. So if ever this goes down, this breakdown, the next target will be around here. But if this trend line breaks, so we are really seeing a downside to Bitcoin. But it will depend actually on Trump, because Trump is one of the market mover. Whenever he tweets like tariff, market gets volatile. So at the moment, what can we see with Bitcoin? So if I consider this as my trend line, then consider this consolidation phase as my potential buying area. Let's stretch it out to see. Okay, it's valid, guys. It's pretty valid. So if this goes up, where will be my exit point? But don't enter on this area, guys. Wait for confirmation. I'm just plotting it for visuals. Could be this immediate resistance. I'll get this because I wanna see more touches. Because if I get this, look, didn't even reach. So I just get this to secure my profit. But first, let's do a swing high to swing low. This can be our TP1. TP1, TP2. Okay, let's check our indicator. By the way, guys, this indicator is I built it my own, so you can't get this in TradingView. As you can see, the current trend is bullish. Bullish. So I'll go 8 hours, 1 day. If I were to trade this, I would go to play safe. So let's just say this would be my, okay, there you go. That's a good RRR, risk reward ratio, 1:2. So if this break down, my target would be this. But I wanna see how did they react whenever this okay, they get trapped, they can't penetrate directly, so yeah, I'll use 1 day as my immediate resistance. But in case if it goes down, two scenario 1, breakout and hit this. Scenario 2 would be go down, get momentum and fly, while scenario 3 short, I don't see any short play at the moment, guys. So those are my only insights at the moment. Based on price, all I see for Bitcoin is this. MACD, it's weakening. 4 hours, let's check 4 hours. Weakening to sell short. Wait for this bounce. If it bounce, RSI bounce on the 50 level, that's a good entry. If it bounce, wait for confirmation. 1 day is bullish, 1 week still bearish, but RSI is above 50 level. Yep, I think this is doable. Okay, let's move on. ETH. I got this trade, by the way, guys. Let's go regular. I got this trade. This one. So I took profit 50% on this trend line when it hit. Then the remaining 25% is here, because I consider this trend line as a potential resistance. So I'll remove this now. I'll try to invert if I see something. Let's remove everything first. this a valid trend line, guys? What do you guys think? Is this a valid trend line? I will put my potential resistance to that. I'm gonna get this. Let's put it here. There you go. Okay, touch. There's a touch. See this week, there's a touch. Let's go for ours. Touch. Okay. Wait a second, guys. If I were to enter, okay, wait, let's check. Guys, I'm pretty bullish right now. If you are not bullish right now, I don't know what to say anymore. ETH, perfect entry. ETH, damn. Next week, which is the start of the new week, is tomorrow, Monday. Market, hopefully it will go on our favor, but at the moment I'm pretty bullish based on FA. As long as Trump don't talk, we are bullish. It's just Trump hindering the bull run. Why there? Let me ask myself, why will I TP there? Let's check fib for validation. None. So why here? Always ask yourself, guys, why will you TP there? Other than price, I wanna see something to validate it. Focus over speed. Think, guys, think. Let's remove our indicator just to avoid confusion. Then think. Do you think that's better? I consider these touches here than this. But this one is, yeah, this is somehow a noise. Guys, can you see this? Higher low, higher low. Higher low, higher low. Low, higher low, higher low. Oh shit. Okay. I'll put a trigger order actually. Exit here. Where ours? Greedy mode. Should we do greedy mode? Greedy mode is here. Okay guys, wait a second, I'll list this entry point down. ETH. I'll enter now, I guess. Today it's 5 a.m. in New York time. I will enter this. And it's actually going up. Sheesh! Let's go, guys. We are live trading at the moment. Okay, so I'm expecting this to play out by Monday. My time would be Tuesday 12 a.m. Or this will be a Sunday pump. If I get this swing, I have to swing low. I'm basing off my exit point based on price reaction. So if I get this swing low to swing high, doesn't look good, guys. Doesn't look good. Doesn't make sense. Our charting should make sense. What if I get this? Is there more touches if I get that? Okay, I think this is valid. There you go. Lock. Trade lock. Let's go. We're on a profit. $500. Keep moving up, guys. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Okay, why did we enter? Let's put our confluences. First of all, trend line breakout. BB breakage before the trend line. RSI above 50 level. For hours breakage. Sign of weakness. What else, guys? What else? Entry. I entered on a common resistance area. What else? What else? What should I say more? Basically, that's it. That's the main reason why I entered. Since if we go down 1 hour, look, this is a common resistance and support. Price reacts in this level. So based on that data, my exit will be what's the reason why did I put my exit there? Common resistance reaction. MACD is showing bullishness, even though there is no divergence. So yeah, let's wait. Okay, next coin. For some reason we traded live during our live, and you see Bitcoin went up as well. Caught on live stream, guys. This is like my first live stream in a while. So because I mostly stream on Facebook, but based on my experience, I'm not having any interaction, so let's try on YouTube if there will be, if the right audience will connect. Let's remove our drawings. I'm using Haikanashi because it looks cleaner, guys, and to avoid confusion as well. That's why I use Haikanashi, since I'm more on structure, not candle reading. To be honest, guys, I wouldn't trade this coin at the moment, since ETH has a better setup. So since ETH has a better setup, let's focus more on ETH. One trade is enough, since either way other coins will follow. And this one, XRP played out already, so most likely investor here will shift to ETH and BTC. I'm not saying it will, but it will make sense, right? Just like when Bitcoin fly, then other altcoin doesn't fly, since the attention of traders are in Bitcoin, so most of the trading volume will be in Bitcoin. But after it pump, do you guys notice that altcoin also pump after Bitcoin pump, especially the micro caps? There's a delay since the attention shift. I don't know, or it's just me. That's based on experience only, guys. Based on what I noticed, since I've been trading since 2019. 2019 is my learning phase. I wasn't trading live money, but you know, I'm kind of learning spot, since I also did Axie Infinity before. That's why I pursued trading. So at the moment for BNB, wait, okay, we're on regular chart. No setup. XRP, no setup. Why? It already flew. It's a waiting game. You have to see another sign of reversal pattern like this, double top, then we can enter the breakdown here. But at the moment, none. Solana, very nice coin. I love this coin. So maybe after ETH fly, then Sol will be next. So yeah, so based on Solana's, okay, let's go 1 day. This is a valid support. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is valid, right? Touches and touches. This one, we consider this as noise. This is the time where Trump tweeted about tariff against China, I think. Yeah. Tariff against China. That's why Bitcoin went down by a lot. And gold pump. So if we consider this as my resistance, it is valid, since we are seeing reactions there. And let's look to the left. To the left, to the left, to the left. There are reactions as well. So there is something in this level. Then the next question would be, where is my take profit? Based on price, let's say this will be a perfect take profit area based on price. Immediate resistance, we don't go here immediately because it's like too good to be true. Like that, nah bro, market works like this, not like this, unless it's a meme coin. So let's validate why here. So if we will validate, I wanna consult my fib, doesn't match. What if here? Nope. Oops. Or I will use an extension, same as ETH guys. Low, higher low, higher low. Keep that in mind. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Market structure. Okay, I'll show you guys. This is market structure. Let's say this is a trend line. This is low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But then, okay, higher high. If market shift like this will become what? Lower high. And this is lower low. So that means this is a sign of trend reversal. Then this is what we trade, guys. So that you guys know what I trade, what I look for. These are what I look for. I don't do this. I don't counter trend if the trend is really bullish. So yeah, I'm a trend following trader, and yeah, so at the moment we can see a shift in trend since this is low, higher low, and higher low. So what I expect is to create this and then up. So this will be higher low as well. Okay. Well, I wanna see what will fib extension show me. You know what? Let's just base it off price. This will be our basis. Don't use this as entry point, guys. You should know your trading system first. Follow your rules. So this is just an insight of a good RRR. I don't know what's your confluence for confirmation, but yeah, that's for Solana. Let's go TRX. I traded this actually. I traded this and this, but I exited here. Pretty good profits right there. Why did I enter this? I'll show you why. Let's go 1 hour time frame. What do you call that? That's a head and shoulder pattern. I'll show you guys. HNS. That's a head and shoulder pattern. But it didn't create the pullback. Actually it did, but minor. This one. So if we base it off that picture, this is the line, then a pullback, minor pullback, which is this. It's a good entry. You can enter from the confirmation of this pullback here. His target, I don't know, but my target is previous low, which is this, and it reacted here, but it still went down. So at the moment I have no setup for TRX, so we'll be moving on Dogecoin. Come on, Elon. Let's move my drawings. Yeah. Breakout. You can see a breakout. It's done. Doge is done. Perfect entry here would be nah. Let's go Ada. Oh, I plot this already. Like a perfect entry would be here, around this area. Here. Depends on your risk appetite. But if you were scalping, you could have gotten this. If you were scalping, then your take profit is here. That's delicious. Why my take profit is here? Why did I put resistance there? Because of this common reaction. Then you can see a head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. Link. Waiting game for link. 2 hours to check the bigger picture. Waiting game, BCH. I don't like the market structure. I don't see anything. So broke. So we broke out. Potential TP, first TP, then TP to whatever. If volume supports, then why not? Let's just say TP3. TP3 is here. Around this area. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Depends on your risk appetite, guys. Oh shit, I was just trade charting this earlier. I wanted to enter this trade. Anyway, it's done. AVAX. I traded this, guys. This breakdown right here. AVAX. More growing. You think that's valid? Do you guys think this is valid? perfect entries are here around this area, but sadly it flew already, so no trade for us. Actually, most coin already flew. So don't get FOMO, guys. This was my chart for LTC as well. I have an ongoing trade here. I'm just huddling at the moment. This is my target area here for ton coin. Nah, I don't like you, bro. And we traded this DOT dot tau, perfect entry here. Nah, skip it, bro. Uni. Nah. OKB, I traded this. AF. Here, guys. Why did I trade this? At first, I noticed this. A divergence. This is a divergence. Then there's a breakout. So if there's a breakout, it's pretty bullish. So what setup are we looking for? Long setup. But when it broke, I did not enter because my confirmation did not agree with me. So there was no volume actually. But when I was seeing this area here, around here, and with the trend line being respected by this area, and a common support here, and a common resistance here, I consider this as the life of rectangle. Wait, the I don't know, whatever you call it. So basically if this breaks up, there will be volume, which in fact there was volume. It played out, but I entered on the other touch here. I was like, wait, SL here, entry here, take profit here. Why did you take profit here? Actually, my target was this. I took profit knowing that it was a Saturday, and during weekend it is expected to have low volume. So that's why I took profit here and did not hold my trade. Since 15 minutes time frame, there was a sign of weakness already. I was scalping this area. If you see this area here, that's like a sign of weakness already. That's why I sold my and trade here around this area. Basically, whatever this shows you, that's where I entered and exited. Okay, moving on. AF. None. WLFI. It's done. This was a good entry here, the bounce. And wait. Lux price. And let's use Binance. You know what? I just consider this. this is cleaner. There you go. So no volume, as you can see. There's not much of a volume, since like what I said, attention is at the moment on the big two, the top two, Bitcoin and ETH. So this is to follow. Pepe, the almighty meme coin Pepe. No trade. Aster. Quick chart, guys. Quick chart. Bang bang. 1 hour. This can even do this. Head and shoulder pattern, but it's a waiting game. No setup for me. Let's look for trend line. It's done. So ARB, currently it broke. I'll go. I entered this triple top, as you can see, even though there's a divergence. Wait, I think this is clear on a 4 hours. I don't need you. Eight hours. Divergence. But the fact that it's showing resistance here, I shorted it here. So next, Atom. No trade for Atom. Pengu. Potential breakout, guys. I'll wait for a retest play for this. Sky, none. Pump, none for you as well, brother. There, that looks cleaner. This one played out already. See? It played out already, so no entry, sadly. Non-bonk. Potential play here if this breaks. Wait, I might take that. Did it reach? Flew already? Oh wait, okay, it's correcting, but yeah, I'm confident that this will go down and this will go up. That will be the play. Today's a Sunday, so Monday pump. We were in Ray 4 hours away. Mana traded this as well. My take profit is here, 1.236. Easy profit in our end. Next, GTO. It's breaking out, but as you can see, this is a 1.5 another short potential setup here. But at the moment, I'll respect this area. So if that breaks, immediate resistance, which is this. Let's just plot it, because why not? At least 1:2. There you go. No trade for that. EGLD, no trade for that. DYDX, none. AVNT, none. Turbo, none. Or D, none. Oh, I did not trade this, by the way, guys. I was just plotting. But this was, wait, what is this trend line? Yeah, this only. This is a shitty trend line. Anyway, not coin. What's this? I did not trade this as well, knowing that Notcoin is, I don't like the coin basically. I'm expecting low volume in this coin. ARKM. Nah. I traded this, by the way, guys. This. I did not trade this anymore. Only this. Previous high here. And like what I did on OKB, from the trend line as well, I entered here. Then this rectangle of life. Peanut, not trade. So yeah, let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. I also do forex, guys, in FTMO. I'm a funded trader. So yeah, at the moment I want this. I actually traded this. I'm waiting for it to hit my TP area. Come on, few more. So yeah, I think that's it for our live. That's my technical insights at the moment. So yeah, peace out, guys. Hope you learned something and have a great weekend.